Hello folks, today here you are, you don't know what to do, you know you want to code, but you see you really suck, you suck at coding, you just suck at it, and you know you suck at it, and you don't know what to do so you can evolve at coding. So in this video I'm going and I will try to help you how you can become a better coder, better programmer, a better web developer, I don't know. But first of all, there is a big problem when beginners want to know and want to start how to code. They really think they will become better, and you don't go from here to here, in 1 week or in in 1 month. It takes a lot of time, so from this point to this point it's going to take time, but how can you go from here and just go in here, from point 1 to point 11, 100? So the first thing, you need to be curious, you need to understand what your coding is doing. It doesn't matter if it's something simple right here, like what is categories, where is it coming from? Oh, it's coming from a Redis. What this does I don't know what it does. So you just go and you know what you can do, you just ask Google what it does, or you even just go here to Copilot or to ChatGPT and asks what does in JavaScript, and it's going to give you a answer and it's going to help you. But there is a question: how do I know what I need to know? It's really hard. I'm a beginner, bro. I know nothing. So how, when I was a beginner, I started learning. The best way to do it is not by watching some random guy on YouTube. It's by doing something yourself. And here there is a good example to do something by yourself. And when I say something by yourself, I say go and copy something that other people have done. And copying a copying lexical is a great idea because it's a what is it? It's a editor framework, and it's really nice, so you can know everything about it. And you are going to learn a lot of stuff from TypeScript and React, a lot of stuff. So if you want to do it by this way, you just go here and first of all, you need to understand how a project normally works. So first of all, you enter like the app directory. And so here, oh man, there's a lot of stuff. And so what am I supposed to do here? Led Zapala, you might be asking me. So we need to copy it. And how am I going to copy it? Just help me, please. So I'm going to, I will try, please. So you go here, and just go and, you know, just create a directory, I don't know, like lexical copy, and now we just go in here and cd lexical, oh my, lexical copy, and here you go, you enter it, and here you have, how do I begin in here? Just help me, bro. So first of all, you always going to copy like the basic stuff, and what's the basic stuff? I don't know, I'm a beginner. So the basic stuff are these files in here. So like void config package.json, you always just go and copy it and just go in here and package.json and just go in here. Oh no, it's not package.json, that and what this package.json does, it's the most important stuff that you can possibly have. It is how you start your application. The scripts that start your applications are right here. So in this example, you would just go here and run npm run dev, and so, or if you are using yarn, you just go and use yarn, and it's going to helps. So just, just keys coding, please. The keys principle, keep it simple. Please just keep it simple. So if you want to start doing something, don't think that you're going to create the most innovative stuff over there. No, just keep it simple. You start by copying something, like you just go to this directory like lexical, just search for it on Google and they're going to find it, and then you just copy this basic stuff here. If you want, you can just download this, and then you just go to the app.tsx, because that's where all the magic begins. And so what you're going to do here, you're going to copy it. Yes, you're going to copy it, and you are going to be curious. So let's say you are here in this library and you want to know what, I don't know, we're going like here using Starbucks. So you just, there's like this Starbucks, and where does picker comes from? Oh, it's coming from here. So what does it do? So you just go and you comment stuff and you see what's going to happen by doing so. And you always start by a template. Don't try to do everything by yourself if you are a beginner. And after you understand what most of this stuff does, it's time to finally go to something more advanced. So you have done, like, you have copied like the app, you have understood what userins does, and so now it's time to create something more advanced. And how you can do that? If you are using lexical as an example, you just go and try to understand what this kind of stuff they do. And you are not going to learn how to code by watching a bunch of tutorials. You are not, man. You are not. You can, like, probably some coding guy is going to help you understand something that's really specific to you, or give you a nice template, but it's not going to overall help you at all. Most of guys don't learn how to code by watching YouTube. They learn by doing it yourself. So it's going to be hard. Yes, it's going to be hard. Everything in life is hard, but you need to start somewhere and sometime. So please, there are a lot of alternatives over there, but I think that Lexical Playground is a really nice way to learn how to code. And sometimes you need to start your own project, but time will come, my little boy. Time will come. But for now, like, my biggest tip is get a popular and well-maintained library. Like, this one is from Meta, so most of the stuff that's here is like from devs that know what they're doing. And you are going to learn a lot if you follow this simple tip. You're going to, yes, I say it again, you are going to copy the code, and so you are going to finally understand what it's doing. So yes, it is the way, my boy. It's my only way that I have found to learn how to code, and it works pretty damn well. You are only going to learn something new and something hard if you do hard stuff. Don't think that coding is going to come by doing simple stuff. You want to be a better coder than the average guy, you need to do something that average guy doesn't do, because he is so lazy. So don't be yourself lazy. Go over there and do something for yourself. And if this video is helping you, and let's see if someone is watching to this point and you guys want to know how I learn how to code, just comment here if there is only one comment, and if only one guy is watching this, I promise I will start a series of how I learn how to code something new. Okay, so please comment if you want to have a series of videos. Otherwise I will just try to do something new, and to someday, this humble channel goes up on views. Thank you guys, if someone's listening to me, that's cool.